Yeah, here we have a Jet 13 by 40 inch bench lathe, 8 speed, 2 horsepower, 230 volt single phase, and it appears to be just used. It's in good condition, and it appears that all the functions operate. We're going to power it up for you, just show you that it does run. We'll pull out the e-stop. Green light turns on here, and here's your manual control. Okay, now we checked all the speeds. All the speeds operate fine. As far as your forward and reverse for your threading, and all your thread dials all operate, and all the controls on the apron operate. What we're going to do is this is how you turn it on forward. There's your cross feed. There's your feed. What we do is turn the machine off. Okay, and then we're going to go in the opposite direction. We currently have it on 300 RPM. It's on the low side there. Stop that, and then we'll measure the fine threading feed. Turn that off. And you can do it manually. Okay, there's the tail stop. And it operates fine. Just turn that off for now, and then we're going to go with the high speed here, just to show you that it does operate on high speed. And that was about 2,000 RPM. Overall, it's in really good condition. It's got some metal shavings on it. It's a little dirty. Other than that, it's in really good shape, as we stated. Also comes with the base cabinet stands, the front, and a drip pan, and a face plate, some tools, toolbox, and then you got your metric change gears. There's probably a few of them mounted on there. You just pull the cover here. And we thank you for looking at our product.